Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Raghuvir Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. As you know that I am MD in Ayurvedic medicine and MD in Ayurvedic physiology. For paid online consultation, you can definitely WhatsApp on 922-6810-630. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, today we are going to discuss about the Ayurvedic medicinal plant or Ayurvedic medicinal herb. The name is Ativisha. So let us start to discuss about this plant, Ativisha. So you can see here the pictures of the plants, and here is the product of that Ativisha. The one of the product name is Bal Chatur Bhadra Churna, and even you can get the Ativisha powder itself by the Nutrixia Ayurveda company. So my dear friends, let us start to discuss about this Ayurvedic medicinal plant Ativisha. Actually, in the Charaka Samhita, it is mentioned in the Gana as a Arshogna, that is, which can helpful to cure the piles. Lekhaniya, also it is curing the kapha problems and removing the excessive fat from the body. But in Sushruta Samhita, that classification is with the another aspect, that is in the Pippaladi Gana, Vachadi Gana, and Mustadi Gana, Ativisha plant has been mentioned. The family of Ativisha is Ranunculaceae, and the Latin name is Aconitum Heterophyllum. The synonyms of the Ativisha: Shukla Kanda, white color; Bhangura, easily brittle; Kashmira, Shishu Bhaishajya. Basically, the Ativisha plant is very useful for the children problem, pediatric problem. Visha Shringi, Amruta, that it can prevent the degeneration of the cells. Then Guna Priya and Bala Roga Nashini. Bala Roga, that is the pediatric problems. The name of Ativisha with the regional languages, in Hindi it is called as Atisha, and in Marathi it is called as Ativisha. Ativisha plant is 1 to 1.5 meter tall herb with a branched and hairy upper part. Ativisha habitat where it can grow: North and West Himalayas at a height of 2 to 6,000 meters in Kumaon Hills. Ativisha, we are using the roots of that particular plant. What are the properties? Rasa is a thick and the katu, that means bitter and pungent. Vipaka is also pungent and virya is hot. Ativisha properties are laghu and ruksha, and actions doshagnata. Ativisha is pittagna because of the bitter taste, and kafagna by all these attributes. Vatagna being ushna, mainly kafagna. Try to understand, Ativisha is mainly acting against anti-kapha. So, how it is acting on the different body channels? Ativisha is useful for the digestive problem because it is acting on the Annavaha and Purisha Srotasa, that means the channels related with the digestion and stool formation. Ativisha is a bitter, pungent, and hot, so it is Deepana and Pachana. That means it is a carminative and also useful to increase your appetite. It is also binding in nature. It is anti-emetic, and it is also acting on the hemorrhoid or the piles. It is also acting on the roundworm, threadworm, whipworm, tapeworm, and also amoebiasis and giardiasis, because this is vermicidal. Ativisha is a good ama pachana. Ama is a toxin-like material created after the incomplete digestion. And after initially expelling the dushta, kledaka kapha, and mala, it is also acting as a binding agent when there are loose motions. Ativisha is very good kapha nashana. That means it is controlling the kapha. It is used in the diseases of children such as the cough, breathlessness, and loose motions caused by kapha dushti. It is bitter, it is pungent, and it is hot, so it is destroying the worms, and also it is arresting to tendency to form the worms. Ativisha is also useful in respiratory system and circulatory system. So Ativisha can be given in the cough, breathlessness, vomiting, and loose motions caused by pakvashya dushti. That means vitiation of stomach and the intestines. Ativisha should be used in the various diseases associated with fever, particularly in the children. As Ativisha is a good kapha nashana and amapachana. Ativisha, Karkatachangi, and Pippali powder together should be administered with honey in these particular conditions. Ativisha is a stanya shodhana. That means Ativisha is purifying the breast milk vitiated by kapha and pitta due to its pungent bitter taste and hot virya. Hence, it is used in the vitiated breast milk. Ativisha, it also useful to control your weight problem. It is reducing the weight, so it is given in the adiposity or the obesity because Ativisha absorbs dushta meda. Other uses of Ativisha, it is used to control the guinea worm infestation. It expels the worm when the powder is used with the warm water. Ativisha can be used in the rat poisoning. Powder can be given with the honey. Now, Ativisha, the powder is given in 1 to 3 grams. Different kalpas are or the products are there like Ativisha, the churna powder, Bala Chatur Bhadra, and Shrungya the churna. Ativisha is actually having very less problem with the side effects, though it is not poisonous if Ativisha is used in a dose exceeding 5 to 6 grams a day. It can produce the dryness of the throat and it can produce also the tremors. That's why Ativisha is always used after purification. To avoid the side effects mentioned earlier, it should be purified by boiling in the cow dung juice for 3 hours. Though Ativisha belongs to the family Ranunculaceae, unlike other herbs in this family, Ativisha is not at all poisonous. Now, how it can be used as a home remedy? Ativisha, Kutajatwak, and Indrayava powder together should be used with rice water and honey to stop diarrhea. Decoction of Ativisha, Shunthi, and Guduchi can be used in Sangrahani, irritable bowel syndrome. Ativisha powder 5 gram mixed with the Kasis Basm 200 milligram can be given in a fever. A mixture of Vidanga and Ativisha powder can be given in the worm infestation. So my dear friend, this is all about Ativisha plant. But always there is a disclaimer, कौन सी भी बीमारी में यथावश्यक यथाकाल वैद्यकीय सलाह लेना बहुत ही जरूरत है. If any of you having any problem like diabetes, heart problem, brain problem, kidney problem, liver problem, yes, we give the paid online consultation. You have to just WhatsApp on 9226810630. My dear friends, please, I request like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and we would like to see you in the next video. Till then, I wish you all the best. Take care and see you soon. Thank you.